Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's on everyone's mind: making money online in 2025 without any upfront investment. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, new opportunities are emerging that allow you to earn income from the comfort of your home, and the best part? You don't need to spend a dime to get started. In this video, we'll explore innovative and practical methods that anyone can use to generate income online. From leveraging your skills in freelancing to tapping into the world of affiliate marketing, we'll cover a variety of strategies that are not only effective but also accessible to everyone, regardless of experience. We'll also discuss the importance of staying adaptable in this fast-paced online environment and how you can position yourself to take advantage of these trends. So, if you're curious about how to turn your spare time into a profitable venture without the risk of financial investment, you're in the right place. Get ready to discover fresh ideas and actionable tips that can help you start earning money online in 2025. Let's jump right in and unlock the potential of the digital world together. Freelancing opportunities. In today's digital age, freelancing has become a viable way to earn money online, and there are numerous platforms where you can showcase your skills. Two of the most popular platforms are Upwork and Fiverr. Upwork connects freelancers with clients looking for a wide range of services, from writing and graphic design to programming and marketing. On the other hand, Fiverr allows you to create gigs that showcase your specific skills, making it easy for clients to find and hire you for their projects. Building a strong profile on these platforms is crucial for success. Your profile is essentially your online resume, so it's important to highlight your skills, experience, and any relevant work samples. A well-crafted profile not only attracts potential clients but also helps you stand out in a competitive marketplace. Don't underestimate the power of your existing skills. Whether you're a talented writer, a skilled designer, or have expertise in digital marketing, there's a demand for your talents. By leveraging what you already know, you can start offering your services and earning money without needing to invest anything up front. So, take the plunge into freelancing, and let your skills shine on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an exciting way to earn money online by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it requires no upfront costs, making it accessible for anyone looking to generate income without financial investment. You can start earning money simply by sharing links on your blog, social media, or even through email marketing. One of the best platforms for beginners is Amazon Associates. This program allows you to promote millions of products available on Amazon, making it easy to find items that resonate with your audience. With a user-friendly interface and a vast selection of products, it's a great starting point for those new to affiliate marketing. However, success in affiliate marketing hinges on choosing the right niche. It's essential to select a niche that not only interests you but also has a demand in the market. By focusing on a specific area, you can build a targeted audience and establish yourself as an authority, which can lead to higher conversion rates. So, whether you're passionate about tech gadgets, health products, or fashion, find your niche and start your affiliate marketing journey today. Content creation. Creating content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok is an incredible way to share your passions and connect with a global audience. Whether you're interested in cooking, travel, fashion, or gaming, these platforms provide the perfect stage to showcase your creativity through engaging videos or blog content. The key is to let your personality shine and create content that resonates with viewers. As you build your presence, it's important to explore the various monetization options available for content creators. On YouTube, you can earn money through ad revenue, channel memberships, and merchandise shelf features. TikTok offers the Creator Fund, brand partnerships, and live gifts, allowing you to monetize your content in diverse ways. However, success in content creation doesn't happen overnight. Consistency is crucial. Regularly posting content helps keep your audience engaged and encourages them to return for more. Additionally, actively engaging with your audience through comments, polls, and live sessions fosters a sense of community and loyalty. So, whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your content creation journey, remember to share your passions authentically, explore monetization avenues, and stay consistent in your efforts. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your content into a rewarding venture. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys is a simple and effective way to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your home. Many companies are eager to gather consumer opinions to improve their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your insights. By sharing your thoughts through surveys, you can turn your spare time into a source of income. Some reputable survey sites to consider include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Swagbucks allows you to earn points not only by taking surveys but also by watching videos, shopping online, and playing games. Survey Junkie focuses primarily on surveys, offering a straightforward platform where you can quickly accumulate points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. To maximize your earnings, consider signing up for multiple survey platforms. This way, you can access a wider range of surveys and increase your earning potential. However, it's essential to be cautious and avoid scams. Always research the legitimacy of a site before providing any personal information. Look for reviews and check if the site has a solid reputation in the market. By choosing legitimate survey sites and diversifying your participation, you can effectively earn money while sharing your opinions. Happy surveying. Selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products like ebooks or online courses is a fantastic way to monetize your knowledge and skills. With the rise of the digital marketplace, there are numerous opportunities to share your expertise while generating income. Platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make it easy to sell your digital products directly to consumers. Gumroad allows you to sell ebooks, music, and other digital files, while Teachable is perfect for creating and selling online courses. Before diving into product creation, it's crucial to identify your target audience. Understanding who will benefit from your content helps you tailor your offerings to meet their needs. Consider what problems you can solve or what knowledge you can share that would resonate with your audience. Once you've pinpointed your audience, leverage your expertise to create valuable content. Whether it's a comprehensive ebook on a specific topic or a step-by-step online course, ensure that your product provides real value. High-quality content not only attracts buyers but also encourages positive reviews and repeat customers. By utilizing platforms like Gumroad and Teachable, identifying your target audience, and creating valuable digital products, you can successfully tap into the growing market of online sales. Start sharing your knowledge today and watch your digital products thrive. As we wrap up this video, let's quickly summarize the key points we've discussed about making money online in 2025 without any upfront investment. We explored various methods, including freelancing on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, diving into affiliate marketing with programs such as Amazon Associates, and creating engaging content on YouTube or TikTok. We also touched on the potential of participating in online surveys through reputable sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie, as well as the exciting opportunity to sell digital products like ebooks and online courses using platforms like Gumroad and Teachable. Now that you're equipped with these insights, it's time to take action. Explore these opportunities and find the methods that resonate with your skills and interests. Remember, the digital landscape is full of possibilities, and with dedication and creativity, you can start earning money online. If you found this video helpful, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also be interested in exploring these money-making opportunities. Together, let's unlock the potential of the online world and embark on this exciting journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.